Ang yuta dili mo turok kung wala kay itanom. Payrora pod sa savings kung wala kay gisugod, walay mo dako. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband and proud tatay. And today, let's talk about why planting and saving go hand in hand. 1. Seeds and pesos work the same. Kung gamay ra imong itanom, gamay ra imong ani. Pero kung consistent ka mo tanom, bisag piso lang kada adlaw, muda ko ra gyud na og balik. 2. Timing matters. Mas sayo ka mo tanom, mas taas ang harvest. Savings works the same. Start early, let time and growth do the work. 3. Neglect brings nothing. Kung sigil lang ka og tan-aw sa yuta pero wala kay ibutang, walay mo gawas. In the same way, kung sigil lang ta og damgo pero walay savings, walay future nga andamon. Remember, the soil won't grow what you don't plant. Same with your savings. Kung gusto nimo magsugod og planting para sa kalinaw sa imong pamilya, message me today. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people. Empowering the future, one family at a time.